Okay, I'm doing something else today here. I'm changing my inlay on the tailgate. I like this, it's nice, but I gotta go with everything black. So I'm going with the black, changing her up. So here we go. Okay, it's coming along. The two-sided tape on that was a little thicker than I thought. Trying to get as much off as possible before I put my cleaner on it, but it's coming along. Okay, I finally got it cleaned up. About an hour later, it took a while. I'm going to put that inlay on now. Done. I like it. Matches everything better. I love the stars and stripes, but I had to go with matching.